Wow. Okay, I just got home from work and my IPSY subscription bag for this month has arrived. I'm very excited. I'm always so excited to open these. I'm assuming if you clicked on this, you know what IPSY is, but if you don't, it's a monthly subscription of makeup. So we're about to uncover 5 different products from this little sack. They send you an email telling you what you're gonna get, and I never look. Usually I like cover the email, open it, and then like delete. I want it to be a surprise. I want to open it and feast my eyes. Let's open it. Okay, looks like we have, it's an odd smell. It smells like fake plastic or pleather. Looks like we have a cheetah sack for this month, the month of November. And it's a nice pleather, makes sense. Explains the scent. We have a little suede tassel. Let's pull it to open, shall we? Great. Okay, first product. Wow, looks like we have some really fun stuff in here. First product, let's get this big box. We have Murad Essential C Day Moisturizer, broad spectrum, SPF 30, PA+++, whatever that means. So it looks like we just have a little face moisturizer. I'm pretty sure I've gotten like a face wash in this brand before. This is like literally so small and cute. Like I'm kind of sad that it's that small, but also that's like kind of cute. Good for travel, I suppose. Let's smell it. Smells like oranges, like fake, like sweet oranges. You know, like the perfumey orange smell. Oh, with a kick of sunscreen, which I like. Next product, we have a Oriza. You probably know how to say it. I don't. Beauty. Oh, looks like a lipstick. Let's take a peek. Ooh, this is in the shade Opus. And I kind of think I love like deep purpley reds, berries. I like berry shades. I might have to try this on in a moment. It smells like lipstick. Hi guys. Hi, I'm face lotion. I'm lipstick. Lovecraft Beauty blush. Looks like a very ornate packaging. Very girly. And the color is an Australia. Color. You don't care. You don't need to see. It's Australia. There's no way I'm saying it wrong. Okay. Looks like a nice peachy Australia shade. Just kidding. What the fuck is Australia? Let's swatch it. Looks pretty like, I don't know why I did that part of my arm. How do I even show that now? Pretty like opaque. Is opaque the right word? I think so. This is all just a big guessing game. Well, I feel like I'll either love this or it will just like do nothing for me. But I guess it comes with a little compact mirror. That's a plus. Although I never use the compact mirror. How can you do your makeup in an inch? I've never got that. I never understand that. Make room, guys. There's a blush coming through. Next, let's do this little dripper bottle. This is, ooh, First Aid Beauty. I've gotten face wash from this brand before, and me and my boyfriend love it. This is a Ultra Repair Oat and Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. Whoa, sounds highly illegal. Is it gonna make you blast the fuck off and get high as a mother flipper? It does smell like cannabis. What an odd dropper also. What do you do with it? What a tiny little peculiar item. Facial oil, formulated with a blend of 16 cold pressed active botanicals, including cannabis sativa seed oil, which is rich in omegas and fatty acids, and a bunch of other things. Well, I'm wondering if that's gonna get me high. Well, guess I have to try it before work tomorrow. There's one last product. Let's check it out. The Sick Sculpt Bronzer, GG Gorgeous. And this is in the shade Extra. Hello, I'd like to see you. I'd like to have a chat. Excuse me, what? Kind of sounds broken, to be honest. Cute little, oh, maybe they're beads. Oh, you know what? I think the thing flips up. Okay, well, that was fucking stupid. I think she's fixed. Let's see. Yeah. So yeah, just like a pretty plain bronzer, I guess. Let's swatch it. I don't know why I'm showing you a swatch of bronzer. You kind of get it. That's the blush and that's the bronzer. I don't know why I'm like... Let's try lipstick. Okay, I already just put some... I didn't just, but I already put some chapstick on when I got home. What if I zoomed in like a guru? Okay. Hey. What's up? Do you want to put some lipstick on? Oh my god, I am so cringy. It's because I'm not in a mirror. Seriously. Get off my back. Okay, that's it. That's all we're doing. I hate myself. Hi. Let's zoom out. Like, get out of my face. Okay. Oh, that's the other way. Mint. Did I just smear it? I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't. I gotta go. Actually, it looks kind of good.